Hello guys, in this video we are going to answer the question, are Midjourney images high resolution? Indeed, Midjourney can produce high resolution images that are suitable for a broader array of applications. The maximum resolution provided by Midjourney is generally ample for most endeavors, including the creation of digital content, designs for merchandise or print design. When the beta upscale redo feature, Midjourney can generate images up to dimensions of 2048 by 2048 square or 2720 and 1530 widescreen. The most recent version of Midjourney defaults to producing images at a resolution of 1024 by 1024. However, it's worth noting that Midjourney currently doesn't have the capability to generate 4K content. Additionally, certain printed materials might necessitate substantially higher resolution to maintain readability and ensure smooth lines and edges. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.